Hi, I'm Mayor Frank Jackson of Cleveland.
And I'm David Gilbert, CEO of the Greater Cleveland Sports Commission and Destination Cleveland, and we want to welcome you to join us in Cleveland for the 2017 Concacaf Gold Cup, one of the region's greater soccer tournaments, taking place July 15th at FirstEnergy Stadium.
After successful summers with the Monsters Championship, the Cavaliers Championship, the Indians Championship, and the Republican National Convention, we want to take this opportunity to welcome all soccer fans to Cleveland.